Hey, got a chance to finalize our Instapoll this morning. We were asking what's your favorite Thanksgiving dish. And not surprising, it took off from the get-go. Stuffing and dressing, #1 at 33%. We didn't break our tie yet. We've got turkey that made a comeback, a strong 19% compared to the pie and cheesecake, which also finished at 19%. If that changes, guys, here in the next 1 minute, 2 seconds, I'll let you know.
Through the noon. We're going to be making some classic mashed potatoes in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
All right, wait a
second.
Hold on. Is this you?
Going.
This is you twisting my arm?
I think so.
All right. Oh, okay. All right. We'll keep it going through noon.
Let's find out.
You still got a chance to chime in. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com/vote. KOAMnewsnow.com/vote. And as soon as I said that, look, somebody wanted to chime in. Somebody wanted to come back. Now we've got at the bottom right there, pie and cheesecake beating turkey.
Ooh.